Discover the freedom of effortless riding with the VITILAN V3 electric bike, your perfect partner for both commuting and adventure. Equipped with a powerful 48V 750w brushless motor, the VITILAN V3 reaches speeds up to 32 miles per hour with a torque of 60 Nm, effortlessly conquering 30-degree slopes. Ride longer with the 13.4Ah removable lithium battery, offering up to 55 miles in power-assisted mode and up to 37 miles in pure electric mode. Charge at home or the office with ease, thanks to its convenient removable design. Experience superior control with the VITILAN V3's front and rear mechanical disc brakes, providing linear and smooth braking. The Shimano 7-speed gear system enhances hill climbing power and terrain adaptability. Stay informed with the intelligent LCD display, showing accurate power, speed, and travel distance. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the 8-second cruise control system, which holds your speed steady and frees your fingers. Designed for comfort and versatility, the VITILAN V3 features a 6061 aluminum alloy frame, adjustable seat, and handlebar, adapting to different heights and riding styles for an exceptional riding experience. With lightweight and efficient aluminum alloy 20-inch wheels, the VITILAN V3 is perfect for both urban streets and off-road trails, ensuring a smooth ride on any terrain. Embrace the journey with the VITILAN V3 electric bike, combining power, comfort, and adaptability for all your rides. Discover more with the VITILAN V3. Like, comment, and subscribe for updates and adventures. Ride smart, ride VITILAN.